Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Sandy and this is the Sister Cousins Lifestyle channel. Now today, as you can see, we're in my car and we're on our way for another drive-by decorating video. Now today's drive-by styling is going to be at my mom's house. We're going to be doing her screened in back porch. She loves her back porch. We did it together for the spring season, I think it was, and she enjoyed it all season. But typically she packs up and comes on in the house for the fall season. She doesn't spend as much time out there. So we're going to decorate her space for the fall in hopes that it will extend her season out there. Okay, so this is what's left of what we did back in the spring out here. We went with this turquoise or teal color. This wreath here is something that I just put out there. But anyway, we had this color for the summer, and she's got the cushions that matched her tables, her cushions on the lounging chairs. And she surprised me by being home today, but she's going to leave. So we're going to go ahead and start off by just getting rid of the turquoise color and kind of put it away for next spring. I don't decorate with a whole lot of color, but when I do, I really enjoy it. And I really like this space because it just needs color out here. That just makes it so vibrant. And she enjoys the color. It just makes it very cheerful. And she likes to just come out here and sit and rock and have her tea or breakfast or whatever. So we're going to get her right on together for the season fall. And you saw my wreath up there, so you may already have guessed we're going with more of the traditional fall colors. Now, we're not going to be replacing all of the cushions out here. We're going to try to pick colors that will play well with the colors that are already out here. I'm starting off with this really pretty burgundy colored fitted tablecloth that came off of Amazon. We're going with very rich colors, but they have to blend in with the solid blue cushions that they have. We are going to remove these floral ones because they just scream spring, so they do need to go. And we're bringing in these gold colored pumpkin charger plates. And we're going to top those with a white plate from the Dollar Tree. And then we're going to top that with a galvanized pumpkin as kind of like a salad plate. So we're mixing metals, but I'm loving the way that the colors are coming together so far. Now, these picks are this rich burgundy color that I thought was so cute, and I decided to just set them on each place setting. Now, back at home, I decided to decorate some lanterns for her just to bring in some light into this outdoor space. So I'm just sticking some picks and some pumpkins in here just to bring in the colors that we're going with. This lantern was kind of hard to work with because the candle is not movable, and so I had limited space to move with, but I kept finagling with it, and I finally got it in such a way that we were able to close the lanterns. Now, I love yellow with burgundy. I just think it looks so pretty and so festive. And now we're going to go ahead and put a burgundy throw here with this blue because, as I said, these cushions are going to have to play well with these colors we're adding. And I'm going to go ahead and add a couple of the turquoise colored pumpkins that are from the Dollar Tree. Now, my mother has long since left the home, so she hasn't seen any of this yet. So I'm super excited because I wanted this to be a surprise for her. So I like the way it's coming together. The colors are not clashing as badly as I thought they were going to be once I got rid of the floral ones. But here is the reveal. It looks so pretty. We're going to go ahead and light this candle, and you're going to see the lanterns that I put together in just a moment, and we're going to put the light on that. Nothing is as cozy as some nice light and a little glow for the fall season. So cute. With the exception of the tablecloth, this is a no spin video. Everything else were items that I had in my stash or either items that my mom had. And that's the wreath that I had put together there on top of the table. So I think this is a beautiful space for her to come out, have her breakfast, have her coffee, have a friend over, sit and talk, chat, what have you. I really like the way that it turns out. I hope you found this video inspiring. And if you did, please don't leave today without hitting that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel a lot. And leave a comment if you are able to. I would love to hear from you as well. And if we're meeting for the first time, go ahead and hit that subscribe button before you leave because I'd like for us to stay connected. And everyone, I hope to see you all over here on my next one. Bye-bye.